My personal discovery was driving to work one day and reaching up to feel my neck, and I determined there was a lump in there which I hadn't noticed before. So I went to my local GP and they told me that I should go see the local surgeon, which I did, and they biopsied it and they discovered it was malignant. I think the options were the radiation, chemotherapy, and or both. The doctor that I met with stopped me when I was asking a lot of questions and says our first priority is to make you well. And nobody had said that was an option before. So that was a high point for me. I think I had a lot of help by the personnel at the hospital. You know, it was like a team effort, you might say. And my wife and family, of course, were very helpful in that regard. I don't think that, as I once thought, it was the end of the road. If you get a diagnosis like that, I think that it's the beginning of another road. So, not to worry.